Update number 6. This is the rattlesnake bean plant. I've started picking it. It's got a lot of beans on it. I'm going to let them get bigger to where the beans have seeds in it before I pick them. And getting ready to plant this system up. I'm going to put some lettuce out here. And we pulled out the French beans. We got 4 pickings off of them. I'm probably going to do some more Florida collard greens. Haven't done those yet. The potatoes, they're kind of acting weird. They're just now between 30 and 37 days old. They're acting like they're done growing. They were real small potatoes. I don't know what they were. We got them from the store, but I grew them last year, and these were the leftovers. So we just added to it. Got the roots down deep enough in this bucket. That was a learning experience. So now we're going to do another bucket of lettuce just to try it again, make sure it grows good. Okra's still producing. It did flowers yesterday. There's one that's going to open today. Setting fruit every day until we get real cold. This is probably the last time we cut the Florida mustard. We will be planting some more. Starting to get a lot of tomatoes ripening. Well, not a lot ripening there. They're going to be getting a bunch ripening pretty soon. Plant's 8 feet tall. Still setting blooms, setting flowers. This had too much in it. We pulled some stuff out. I got a cat digging around. It'll dig it, then it finds out it's all wet and it leaves, but it just keeps messing up with the gardens. This is the black cherry. We've had 2 of them so far, and they are really, really good. They get real big and plump right before they ripen. So this is going to be a fun plant to grow. I'm definitely going to grow some of these in the summertime. And we got some beans coming up. The big plants are the ones I just cut back. They're kicking out some bloom, but you're not going to get much on them. Even this one over here is doing it. I got all this cleaned up to where we're going to put lettuce or some type of greens in it. But like I say, I have an issue with the cat now. It likes to walk on it. And these tomatoes here, we got some down on the bottom there, and all these up here and around the side. And this plant's got tomatoes. Some more right through the other side. I mean, it's got thousands of them, and it's still blooming, still putting stuff out. And then these San Martinas, they hadn't started ripening yet, but they're getting big, so I know it won't be long. I'm only getting like 3 hours of sunlight in here, so I'm lucky if I get any big tomatoes. These small ones aren't going to be any problem in getting ripened. You know, they can handle this stuff. I might have to go up a little bit taller before these break. Yeah. So the sun's already in the trees, and we're like at 10:30 right now. It'll be at 2 o'clock before it comes out over there. So we'll get another 2 hours. Right now, I guess we're getting about 4 hours of sunlight. So most of these plants can handle the low light. Even the potatoes can do it. But we'll see. We'll show you what happens when we dump this out. Y'all get everybody to check this out. Subscribe. This is a no electricity. It's all coming from the tanks. Gravity fed. So real simple.